In this video, I'll be showing you the exact tips and tricks that you can follow to script your YouTube videos to increase watch time, which will in turn lead to more views and more subscribers. This is the exact YouTube scripting formula that I've used to grow my channel to over 40k subscribers. This is Elliot with InVideo, and let's get started. The first thing to remember is that watch time is king. YouTube wants people to stay on the platform as long as possible. So if you help YouTube to do this, it will reward you back. Longer watch time also helps YouTube to place more ad spots. So this can actually be really beneficial to yourself as well, because you can have more ad spots in your videos. So tip number one for scripting your YouTube videos is to start with the intro and the hook. Your intro and video hook need to be as short as possible. So try to keep this under 30 seconds because the first 30 seconds of your video is where people drop off the most. You want to use your intro period of your video to establish what your audience is actually going to get from the video. So for example, you could say something like, in this video I'm going to show you how to do XYZ, or in this video you will learn the exact formula to do X. A great way to start your YouTube videos is using the AIDA formula. So start off by grabbing the audience's attention. An attention grabbing intro for our videos could be something like, you don't have to be an expert content creator to bring your videos to life on YouTube. You then want to move on to the interest and give your audience some information that will interest them. Once again, an example of interest for our channel could be, the surprising thing is that 90% of new YouTube creators don't get the look and feel that they want from their videos. And this isn't because they aren't good content creators, this is because they're not choosing the right equipment for their videos. You can then move on to the desire part of the AIDA formula. So you want to provide your audience with a desirable outcome for them. An example of this for us, once again, could be, we've put together this one-stop shop of YouTube equipment that outlines every piece of equipment you will need at beginner, intermediate, and advanced levels to save you a ton of time and money. Finally, you want to finish off the AIDA formula with the action portion of your video. Encourage your audience to take action. An example of action could be, simply browse through the equipment list and pick the option that best suits your budget and needs. From a visual point of view, you also want to start your videos by actually showing your audience what they will achieve if they stick around to the end of the video. Tip 2 is to give your audience a quick intro of what your channel is about and what you help people to do. For example, this is Elliot with InVideo, helping you create amazing content using video. Tip 3 is to break your video down into steps and sequences. Write down a rough idea of the steps that you want to take your audience throughout the videos that you create. I've done this with my most recent video on this channel on how to set up video ads for dropshipping and e-commerce stores, and I broke this down into steps to go and show the audience how to go and set up those video ads step by step and take them through that entire sequence. Tip 4 is to not make your videos too long. Keep editing them so that they are super tight and only include content that either takes the narrative forward or provides some value to your audience. If it's not doing either of these things, then you should just think about removing it from your video completely. Once again, if we take the example of my last video on this channel where I show people how to set up video ads for dropshipping and e-commerce, I've cut out the parts where my screen is actually loading because this doesn't provide any value to my audience and this can actually just bore your audience. Tip 5 is to not let your videos end. Always have a call to action either to another video or a playlist on your YouTube channel, and you can always go and add teasers to your videos. So you can go and say, stick around to the end and I'll be showing you some tips and tricks on this, or you can do a free giveaway. So always have something to encourage the audience to stick to the end of the videos. And like I said, you can go and add end screens to other videos and other playlists, or you can always go and say to subscribe so that people can follow a series, and you can go and create a series of videos that your audience can go and follow through. InVideo does this on every video we have on our channel. Tip 6 is to figure out where you're going to add call to actions to your video. Once you've figured out the beginning, middle, and end of your video, you can decide where you want to add call to actions to ask people to subscribe to your channel or like the video or go and check out one of your other videos. So I recommend you can always go and add it in the middle of your video. You can just say to people, if you are receiving value from this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel for this type of content and make sure to like the video if you are enjoying it. So on that note, if you are getting value from this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more video creation content and give the video a big thumbs up. Tip 7 is not to script your entire video. it is good to have an outline of blocks of each part of the video and kind of rehearse what you're going to say, but it doesn't have to be completely scripted word for word, because that makes it just seem a little more unnatural. And also sometimes the way you write things might come out differently when you actually speak them to the camera. So it's not an amazing idea to script every single part of your video. So here is an extract of how I scripted this video, and I will leave a link in the description to this template so you can use this for your own YouTube videos. Tip 8 is to avoid basic scripting mistakes. So this is sort of things like going off on a tangent and just talking about things that aren't relevant to the video. Once again, keep it super tight when you are creating your script, and make sure that you use words in your script that you naturally use so that the videos come across more natural and genuine to your audience. If you have found this video useful, then you should go and check out our other video on how you can go and increase watch time and increase your subscribers by creating a custom end screen for your YouTube channel. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more video creation content, give the video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in that next video.